Hey up, John. It's Alan from England. I thought I'd just send you a quick video of my tea Blondi's cage, and there she is, tiny, just having a walk round. And there's the water dish there. Filled a lot of substrate in the tank, probably about 3-4 inch substrate. There's a hide where she's pushed all the dirt forward, and there's my hygrometer for the humidity, and then the loads of sphagnum moss, and there's a heat bulb, which that's the only heat source I have. I can't use nothing else really, and I'm not really keen on heat mats, so I thought I'd just send you a quick video, John, of my tea Blondi and her cage, and please comment and see what you think. Cheers, John. Ta-ra, mate.